Number 3 asks us to find the length of the segment based on the figure 3 here. First one is line segment MP. Line segment MP is this piece. We understand that these red hash marks here say that these pieces are congruent, okay? So if the whole thing here of mn is equal to the value of 8, we know that each piece right here will split it in half because these two red marks means that they're congruent. So we can say line segment of MP is 4, and also the line segment of PN is also 4, because again the dashes in says that the line segment is here are congruent. Okay, so we can say line segment MP is equal to the value of 4. Now let's take a look at the piece of SM. Also, it has the same marks here, so we can also say that line segment MP is equal to line segment PN, which is also equal to line segment SM, that is also 4. Let's look at NR. Well, let's just label the image here to help us out. This is 4. Okay, so this piece SM is 4, then another 8. Then we have NR. So you can write this equation if you would like to see it. NR is equal to this entire thing, which is SR minus these three pieces, minus SM minus MP minus PN. SR is 26, minus 4 for SM, minus 4 for MP, and minus 4 for PN, which is 12. So that should be 14 for NR. Okay, that means this piece here is 14. That should make sense because 14 plus 8, which is 22, plus 4 is 26. That's correct. Now we want to look at MR. Well, let's see what MR is made of. MR is made up of MP plus PN plus NR. MP is 4, PN is 4, NR is 14. That becomes 8, 22, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, that is 22. That is line segment MR.